Instagram music no result found problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can solve the Instagram music's no result found problem, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to fix if whenever you're trying to upload, let's say, a story on the Instagram app and then it says that there is no such type of music found, then there are likely two reasons for it. One is that your Instagram account could be limited, and that is why in this case you might want to switch to your professional account. If you're already on a professional account, you can try to switch to a normal account. So try to do both ways, because sometimes some music that are available for personal accounts are not available for public accounts as well. So that's the thing that you want to do. Try to switch to professional and public. The other is that let's say you're trying to search for a music and it says music not found. It simply means that the music is not available inside of Instagram. You have to understand that Instagram is a social media application. It's meant for communication, and it's not a whole library of music. It's not Spotify, it's not YouTube music, it is not a whole library of music. Instagram needs to have license to access all the music, otherwise they will be claimed with copyright and then content infringement. So that is why they cannot upload all songs, and that's in that case you might actually wanna record a video with that song or do something like that just in order to use that music. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.